Can you recall a time when you were part of a conversation, yet felt like an outsider? Or perhaps you've engaged in countless conversations that left you longing for something more, something real. If so, you're not alone. The yearning for authenticity has become a universal craving in a world flooded with surface level interactions and fleeting connections. We're about to uncover 7 powerful secrets to create authentic and relatable connections that will forever influence your personal and professional life. So let's get started with the first one. Number 1, mastering the confident approach. You walk into a room, shoulders back, head held high, exuding confidence. Instantly head turn and eyes lock onto you. It all begins with a confident approach. Imagine becoming a magnetic force that draws women in effortlessly. That's precisely what we're about to uncover in our first point. To flirt comfortably and drive women wild starts with mastering the art of self-assuredness. Confidence is not just about appearing sure of yourself. It's about genuinely believing in your worth. When you approach a woman with genuine self-confidence, you emit an aura of nearly irresistible attractiveness. Confidence isn't about being arrogant or overbearing. It's about being comfortable in your skin, showcasing your strengths and embracing your flaws. Stand tall, create eye contact, and speak with conviction. The next time you approach someone, remember this mantra: I am enough and I am worthy. Confidence is the key that unlocks the door to a woman's heart, so own it. Moving forward to our next point, we'll explore the power of body language. Number 2, the seductive language of body. Imagine being able to speak volumes without uttering a single word. Body language is a potent tool in your flirting arsenal, and once mastered, it can send shivers down spines. What if we told you that your body has a secret language that can make women weak at the knees? The second point unveils this tantalizing truth. Flirting comfortably involves understanding the subtle nuances of body language. From a lingering touch on the arm to maintaining an open and inviting posture, your body can convey interest and desire in ways words alone cannot. When you engage in flirting, use your body as a canvas to express your intentions. Lean in when she talks, maintain eye contact, and avoid touching her arm or shoulder during conversation. These subtle gestures create an atmosphere of intimacy and connection, making her feel desired and cherished. Transitioning smoothly to our next point, we'll explore the importance of active listening in seduction. Number 3, the allure of active listening. Have you ever been in a conversation where you felt honestly heard and understood? Active listening is a superpower that can make you irresistible to women. Imagine being the one person who truly understands her deepest desires and dreams. Active listening is your ticket to unlocking her heart, and that's precisely what we'll explore in our next point. Flirting comfortably involves more than just talking. It's about genuinely connecting with the person in front of you. Active listening means giving her your full attention, nodding in agreement, and asking thoughtful questions that show you genuinely care about her thoughts and feelings. Women are drawn to men who make them feel valued and appreciated. When you actively listen, you make her feel important and create a space where she can open up and be herself. Remember, it's not about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about understanding her on a deeper level. Now, let's progress to the next point, discussing the fascinating concept of playful teasing. Number 4, the art of playful teasing. Think back to your school days when a playful tease could spark laughter and chemistry. That dynamic never really changes. Picture yourself as the charismatic jester, making her laugh and blush with your witty banter. Playful teasing is a delightful weapon in your flirting arsenal, and we're about to show you how to wield it. Flirting comfortably often involves breaking down barriers and creating a lighthearted atmosphere. Playful teasing done in good taste can do just that. It's about poking fun in a way that makes her smile, not frown. Teasing should be lighthearted and never cross into hurtful territory. Find something you can playfully joke about, whether it's her weird laugh or your love for a cheesy 80s movie. This creates a sense of camaraderie and ignites a spark of attraction. Moving forward, let's discuss the power of compliments in our next point. Number 5. The magnetic pull of sincere compliments. A well-timed compliment can be the key to her heart, but it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Imagine leaving her speechless with a genuine and heartfelt compliment that leaves an indelible mark. Our next point will unveil the secrets of crafting compliments that make women swoon. Flirting comfortably involves knowing when and how to deliver compliments. It's not about showering her with flattery. It's about being genuine and specific in your praise. Instead of a generic compliment like "you're beautiful," opt for something more personal and specific, like the way your eyes light up when you talk about your passion is truly captivating. Sincere compliments show that you've taken the time to notice and appreciate the little details that make her unique. As we move towards our penultimate point, we'll explore the enigmatic world of shared experiences. Number 6. Building connection through shared experiences. Have you ever heard the saying, "We had an instant connection"? That connection often forms through shared experiences. Imagine creating unforgettable memories together, moments that etch your presence into her heart. In our next point, we'll delve into the magic of shared incidents and how they can leave a lasting impression. Flirting comfortably involves creating opportunities to bond. Whether trying a new activity together or reminiscing about a favorite childhood memory, shared experiences create a sense of togetherness and intimacy. Plan dates or activities that allow you to share experiences, creating a connection beyond words. This shared journey builds a foundation of memories that will make you stand out and leave her longing for more. As we conclude, gentlemen, flirting comfortably and driving women wild isn't about adopting a persona or resorting to cliched pickup lines. It's about embracing your genuine self and connecting with others on a deeper level. From mastering the confident approach to the allure of active listening, playful teasing, sincere compliments, and shared experiences, the authentic you will truly captivate hearts. Their success in the realm of attraction lies in making women feel valued, heard, and cherished. So go forth with these newfound insights, and may your journey in the world of romance be filled with confidence, connection, and endless possibilities. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Until next time, stay charming, stay authentic, and continue to unravel the mysteries of the male psyche with us.